back to part 2 of the foundation series. Every video I'm trying a new foundation in the color that I have, so you can use that as a reference if you're searching for your shade match. Less talking today, let's just start. So today we're trying the True Match Tinted Serum from L'Oreal. I feel like this was really popular on social media when it came out. The shade that I have is 4-5 medium. As usual, I'm gonna start with moisturizing my face. And I try to use the same product in every one of these videos. I'll do again one side with a brush and one side with my beauty blender. So I'm just gonna show you every foundation that I have. And I have foundations that are not exactly my shade match. Just because I bought them wrong, or they are shades that I used on my clients when I did their makeup. But I still want to show you guys because I feel like it still can be useful. This is the applicator. I just put it on the back of my hand, so well, let me see. It looks like this. I'll just grab it with a brush and I'll just show you guys. You can see it's not my perfect match. I mean, it's not bad, but it's a little bit light and cool toned for me. I still really like the product, but it's just not my right shade match. As you can see, it's very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy or anything. So I really like using it, but I always just mix it in with a foundation that is a little bit too yellow or dark for me. But yeah, it looks like this. You can see that this side of my face is lighter than this side. This side where I have nothing on. So yeah, let me show you the other side with my beauty blender. It's not gonna change the color, but I still like showing you guys the difference between applying with a brush and a beauty blender. So yeah, if you're a little bit lighter than I am, or your undertone is a little bit more cool toned, this might be a good match for you. But for me, it's just too light. But when I have something and it's too light or too dark, I just mix those two and I try to make it work. So you can see it here. This is the shade. So yeah, conclusion, 4-5 medium is just too light for me. Here's the final look of today. It's not only with the tinted serum from L'Oreal, because I had to mix it in with a foundation shade that's a little bit darker than my shade to just get my color back. So yeah, but still I really like this product because I in general just like lightweight foundations that you can build up and that don't feel really heavy on your skin. So I would still recommend it, but in your own shade. So again, if you're a little bit lighter than I am, this will be a great shade for you. And I myself might try one shade darker than it. So yeah, I really hope you liked it. If you want me to try a specific foundation, please let me know and I'll try to do my best for you. By the way, I realize, I just very easily say that I go in with another foundation that I have that is a little bit darker than my skin tone. But I can imagine that not everyone has multiple foundations lying around at home. The reason that I have it because I love making these videos. I'm making makeup videos for a longer time. And I did makeup on clients for a while, so that's why I also have multiple foundations and multiple shades. So I know it's very easily said that, oh yeah, you can just mix it in with another foundation so you can create your own match. So yeah, I just wanted to say that because I know that's not like normal. I just really hope you have a foundation that's like perfectly your shade match. But if you have multiple foundations, you can just try to mix them so you can still use them and it isn't a waste, you know? So yeah, I just wanted to say that. And for next time, we're gonna try the NARS Sheer Glow foundation. Yeah, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye! Mwah.